to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to show you how to make this pop-up dress card for Mother's Day, Prom Day, make it for birthday, 18th. I think it looks really cute and there's lots of occasions you can use it on. So come on, let's take a look and see how they're made. So to make your really cute pop-up dress card, you will need a little piece of paper. Origami paper is ideal, but any paper will do. You will need a card. You would need some baker's twine or some little ribbon or something, some little cloth pegs. If you don't have these, you can just cut out little bits of paper, glue stick and some pretty tape for decorating. Now I have shown you how to make a paper dress before, so I'm going to basically speed this bit up. There's a very slow, fabulous video up here which really takes you through it step by step. Please do watch that, but you can also see the basics now. And I'm going to pause at one point because I'm going to show you how to decorate the central bit. Okay, if like me you want to add a little bodice to the dress, this is a good time to do it. So you get your little bit of tape. And this top bit is actually the bodice. So I'm going to take it, this nice silver tape, to about here. And then trim. And then when you fold this up, you can still see a really nice amount of it. And that's how you add that detail to this particular dress. Now I'm going to speed up the video again. Like I say, do watch the slow one up in the iCards. It will teach you everything you need to know, and then we'll show you how to assemble it into a pop-up card. Here you have it, a nice little dress. Now in order to make it pop, we need to fold it backwards. Give it a nice crease down the middle because that's how it's going to sit inside the card. So it needs to be good and secure. You open your card. And you find the spot. So I think it's going to be about there. So if you shut it, yeah, it's going to have a little fold in the corners. So that's fine. You can fold it if you want, just to make it just right. Get lots of glue stick, lots of glue on here. Just the little fold. And then find your spot again. So I'm going to just check that it shuts all right. Yep. It's totally fine if you have to give it a couple of goes. There we go. I think that's good. So when it stands, it pops out. Can you see? And now all you're adding now is your cute little baker's twine. So if you don't have baker's twine, ribbon will do, string will do. And all you're going to do is attach it to the top of your dress. And this one to the other end. Now I'm going to put one right to the edge of the dress, one a little bit further in. It just means that when it folds, they don't fold over each other. They actually fold next to each other. And if you don't have these little pegs, that's fine. Why not just cut out some little paper rectangles and it'll have the same sort of look. And then you just roll this around to make it look like a loose washing line. Get a little bit of glue and basically glue it in place. And yes, all I used was the glue stick, so it's not very much glue at all. You could use a hot glue gun, but I always find they can be a bit messy. And the same on this side. There we go. Now I'm going to let this dry, because if I don't, the different parts will stick together. So I'm going to let that dry now gently, and in the meantime we can have a quick look at the one I made earlier. And look at that. When you shut it, they shut just beside each other, the two pegs, and it still fits into an envelope, so that's fine. So when you open it up, you have a little pop-up dress. Now what I love about this pop-up dress is this is literally just printer paper, so you don't need a special paper for it to look cute. You can use plain white paper, put a little band around the middle. So this is just some washi tape that I showed you how to stick on with this one, and that's it. And I think it looks really good in the contrast, and I think it makes a lovely Mother's Day card, makes a prom day card, you could make it as a wedding card, so lots of different choices, and I think they look really cute. So that was it really. If you like this craft, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but above all, please do come back, keep watching, keep making, because we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.